So now we are going to see qu'est-ce que tu prends? What did you take? Now in this sense, this first word is verre de vin. So if the word is just vin, you would say some wine. Du vin. Some, because it is not countable. Now the next one, verre de vin, a glass of wine. So in this case, the main object here is the glass. So you can say you verre de vin. So a glass of wine. So now since this is countable, we use an article. Now bière. So we already saw this, it is de la bière. Right? Now the next one, tasse de thé. So a cup of tea. So now in this case also it is countable. So we say une tasse de thé. Or if it is just thé, then you would say du thé. So I hope you understood the concept here. If it is not countable, you would say some. So thé, you cannot say one tea. You say du thé, some tea. Je bois du thé. But when it is tasse de thé, a cup of tea, you would say a cup of tea. Une tasse de thé. Now the next one, jus d'orange, orange juice. So in this case, un jus d'orange. Un jus d'orange. The next one, a glass, une glace. And ice cream, une glace. The next one, confiture. Confiture is jam. So it is not a bottle of jam or a jar of jam. It is just confiture. So in this case, we use de la confiture. De la confiture. Steak. So steak, un steak. So it is countable. So if you can count the object, you would use an article, un or une. Un steak, une glace, un jus d'orange, une tasse de thé, un verre de vin. But if the object is not countable, for example, bière, you cannot count. So it is de la bière. Confiture, de la confiture, some jam. So this is how you will answer. So now you know how to answer when anyone asks you qu'est-ce que tu bois or qu'est-ce que tu prends. So this is a common question you will be asked, and you know how to answer. You need to use the correct word before the particular answer, either une or un or du or de la. And now you know which word to use in which situation.